I'm Ter Strongman at the Ron Q Amateur Record. Thank you for selecting this video on cleaning house. Before I continue, it bothers me that maybe you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. I think it's in your own best interest to do so now would be a good time to go ahead and do it. And while you're at it, activate the notification bell feature. If by the end of this video it turns out that you like it, please give it a thumb up so that I know you like it, and share the joy of the channel with others. Now, with those humbling requests having been humbly stated, let's move on. Cleaning house. I'm going to start with an example. In my own case, currently I'm going through my channel, cleaning house. Since I created the channel, I've uploaded now approximately 500 videos. My channel has evolved through time, and I recognize that there are some videos that just don't belong. They haven't stuck to the theme of the channel, making the theme a bit hard to recognize. Now, also, as I'm going here, deleting videos, eliminating videos, is a process of elimination. Okay, so as I'm going, I see too that I have to catch up on some other matters, like renaming videos, making their names more relevant to the purpose of the channel, and there are thumbnails that needed to be replaced with more updated thumbnails. Okay, this is a matter of refinement and purification. So there's elimination, clarification going on, orderliness, refinement, purification. These matters, all of these states of affairs apply to cleaning house, just with respect to my own channel here. Now, what's this have to do with you? Your self-mastery, your personal evolvement, your steps toward true selfhood, your steps away from consciousness hijacking and perception deception here in your incarnate life on Earth. How does this apply to you? Well, house cleaning can, the idea, the concept, the principle of the thing can apply to any and all areas. Can and does apply to any and all areas of your life. Your social life, your psychological life, your cognitive life, your spiritual life, your physical life. It can even apply directly to cleaning your house, the one you live in. Maybe as a good starting point. So it applies across the board. Now, I think that just like in the case of my own channel here, I let it go maybe a little too long. And I didn't realize it until I took a look with under the recommendation of somebody else, actually. Somebody else noticed. Well, how many areas of your life might be in the same state of affairs, or a corresponding state of affairs? Maybe even to the point where other people notice before you take action. Now, this is not the kind of thing that typically other people point out. That people point out about other people to the other people who need the reminder. Because it's an uncomfortable thing to do. But sometimes necessity arises, and people do point it out. But it's probably a better idea for you to recognize the need for some house cleaning before others do. So this here is a reminder to you, from me, to perhaps examine what things might need to be cleaned up and made more orderly in your own life, in all the areas of your life, perhaps more frequently than you do. And there are some good reasons acceptable reasons why you might not do it as often as maybe you should. Life is full of distractions. Daily life is full of rigor and busyness. We tend to let some things just fall to the side as other things appear to be more immediate, require more immediate and even important attention. However, if we consider, with respect to self-mastery, personal involvement, movement toward true selfhood, and away from consciousness hijacking and perception deception, including self-imposed perception deception, it's probably a good idea to consider, to bring this into a state of you recognizing its importance to you, that it does involve refinement, purification, and the like. These have a lot to do with self-mastery and personal evolvement and true selfhood and consciousness hijacking and perception deception. Personal refinement, clarification to yourself, at least, where you stand right now. These things will also help to prepare you for getting on in years and taking your last breath. Get rid of what you don't need and clean up what you do have, what you do need. Get rid of what doesn't belong anymore. As we go on in life, some things that we put into place or allowed it to fall into place earlier on, as we go on, they might not fit anymore. They might not work anymore. So why keep them around? They become clutter. Well, I think that's enough about it. Now, if it turns out now that you like the video, please give it a thumb up. And if you haven't done it yet, then please subscribe to the channel now. Activate the notification bell feature now. And thenceforwardly, share the joy of the channel with others. This is Taranki Ramacharaka, and I'm Turk Strongman. Be well. Peace be with you.